Hi guys, David from Geeks Not Dead here. Going to be opening a couple of booster packs of Tarn to Kia today. We'll be getting my booster box shortly, so once I've got that, we'll get that opened. Let's get on with these. So first we've got Bringlow, Rotting Mastodon, Valley Dasher, Throttle, Woolly Loxodon, Abomination of Gudul, Feet of Resistance, Singing Bellstrike, Swiftwater Cliffs, Mystic of the Hidden Way, Abzan Falconer, Hordling Outburst, Opulent Palace, and a Villainous Wealth. On to the second pack, see what we're getting here. So we've got Savage Punch, Molting Snakeskin, Mardu War Shrieker, Scout the Borders, Jeskai Banner, Sultai Scavenger, Wetland Samba, Firehoof Cavalry, Mystic of the Hidden Way, Horde Ambusher, Seek the Horizon, Mardu Charm, Keru Spell Snatcher, and an island forest. Ooh, foil island actually. Excellent. So like I say, as soon as I get my booster box, should be out in the next few days, I'll get a video on that uploaded. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.